Looking for a last-minute gift idea? Gift certificate to the rescue! You can make one in Canva. Let's get started. Step 1 is to find your certificate. Now, you can type in certificate, gift certificate. This is a lot of templates and there's a lot of information. If I typed sophisticated gift, it gave me a little more of something that I would want, like this. This one says paid. When I click on it, and I click on this little download button, it's going to prompt me to pay. And you see this? It's telling me what's a pro image. When I click on all of these, it no longer prompts me to pay. Canva has made it super easy to customize colors with styles. What if you don't have styles? Click on the More tab, and up here at the top, there is one called Styles. You can change everything. For example, if I click this one, it will change the colors and the fonts for me. I like the way that this looks, but I do want to work on the fonts. So I'm going to click on fonts and scroll down. I really like this one, Shorthand and Quicksand, Season of Giving. So let me move this over here. I think I would like for it to have a little more red. Click on the word giving, and you could change that to red. We can look at this and see if we can change one of these things to red. I can click this and change these colors as well. You click on this element, go up here to the top. There's a paintbrush, click it, and then click on this element. I do have a whole tutorial on text. What if you have a terrible handwriting, or you're not sure if you have a pen that's the correct color that would go over this? What can you do? Go over here to the text, select Add a Heading, and you slide it to where you would like it. You can actually change it to the same font that you're already using there, Quicksand or Tenor Sand, or anything else that you would like. You can change the color. You can take this and click up here on the word duplicate. Take this little box here and drag it down, and then type in your recipient. Let's do another duplication. We can even shrink the size of that one a little bit. We've taught colors. We've taught fonts. You will notice that there are a bunch of fonts with this crown on it. It just means that if you try to use it, it will prompt you to subscribe to Canva Pro. There are plenty of fonts that you can use that are free. If you make a mistake, all you have to do is click undo at the top, and it will take it back to what you want. If you've typed it, you want everything uppercase instead, then go up here. There is a lowercase, uppercase A. You type it, and everything is now uppercase. There are little white dots that you can use to shrink and enlarge your text. What if you want to make it extra fancy and give it some texture? Go to this Elements tab and type in the word grid. Click on it and it will pop up right there. I'm actually going to right click and bring it to the front for now because I want to make it super easy for you. What about cork? This one is free. Left click your mouse and slide it in. And then you're going to click on it and go up here. There's a transparency button, and you can reduce the transparency to give it a textured look. And now you can either leave it on top like this, which is a cool look, or you can send it to the back. You can even change these if you want for them to be red as well. What if you don't really like this? Well, you can get rid of it and you can change it to anything you want. It's really super simple. What if you would like to add a picture? Type in the word frame on the Elements tab and you can type in a picture. We can pop in an image like that, and then that makes it really super cute. How do you download it? How do you send it? If you have a printer, then what you will do is click on download, change this to PDF print, make sure that you select the page that you want and click download. And then hopefully you know how to print a PDF file. The other thing you could do is download it as a PNG file and send it through email. It would be really cute for you to include the recipient and the giver in that image if you have something like that. If you don't, then just leave it off. The other bonus tip I have for you is that let's say that you need to do like 10 of these. All you would need to do is go up here and there is a duplicate page button. So now you can take this one, detach image, I right click detach image, get rid of it. Then you can change out your wording here and you can duplicate it again and again all the way to 10 times, right? But you can customize each one of them to look special and different and unique. And that is pretty awesome. If you like this tutorial and want to see more like it, be sure to hit that like button and watch one of these tutorials right now. Thanks so much for learning with the Canva Classroom. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future lessons. See you next time. Bye.